Hello, my good fellows. Feast your eyes this Halloween Eve on a bike that will scream like the hounds of hell and rev to the moon. Guys, this is the pinnacle of two-stroke development for Honda, the last and final year of the 2007 CR250R two-stroke. This one has got every trick in the book on a high level. It's got the full Kashima-coated Pro Circuit Showa, DLC-coated A-kit forks, and matching shock. The engine, everything is brand new on this bike. All aluminum has been polished from top to bottom, starting with the pristine original frames and polished like chrome, the entire frame, including the frame cradle, the rear brake lever, the kickstarter. All the hardware is brand new. Everything in the engine is brand new. The head's been polished. The kicker's been polished. The intake's been polished. The triple clamps are polished like chrome. It is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. This is definitely on the podium of the finest 250s we've ever had at the shop here. And that's saying a lot. We've had a lot of 252 stroke Hondas, not probably more than any other shop in the United States of America in the last 10 years, beyond the shadow of a doubt. This thing is absolutely freaking gorgeous. It's brand new. It's been completely purpose built from the frame up. As you can see, 0 hours ride time. Brand new tires, Pirelli Scorpion MX tires on brand new Takasago XL rims, light speed carbon fiber fork protectors, brand new top of the line Nissan twin piston calipers with new braided stainless lines, brand new brake rotor. The hubs are anodized red. Even the Honda ignition cover's been polished like chrome. The RC valve's been polished. The head's been polished. Even the carburetor's been polished. You know how many hours of labor have gone into just polishing the frame and the subframe? It's absolutely ridiculous. The shifter's polished. The radiators, the original factory radiators, are polished like chrome. Just beautiful. Brand new front fender. Brand new stadium front number plate. Brand new Renthal bars. Oversized bars with the Pro Taper bar mounts. Has all the super nice trick hardware. Red anodized steering stem bolt. The master cylinder has been polished. The cap on it is anodized red. Has a works connection, unbreakable lever, perch, polished aluminum levers. Even the throttle housing's been polished. Everything's brand new. The whole throttle housing, the throttle tube, and the grips, which are of course safety wired on. New Renthal fat bars. Just an absolutely stunning piece. New throttle jockey seat cover. New radiator shrouds. New Honda Racing Red Rocket graphics. Just beautiful. Pro Circuit works. Finish exhaust. All new hardware everywhere. All new hoses. As you can see, that the carburetor's polished like chrome. Just beautiful. Even the engine, upper engine mounts, which you can't even see unless you look underneath there, are polished like chrome. The rear swing arm is powder coated. It has a light speed carbon fiber brake guards. Brand new rear rotor. Brand new Takasago XL rim. Powder anodized red hub. Light speed carbon fiber shock protector. A-kit shock with Kashima coating. Carbon fiber airbox covers. Just absolutely freaking gorgeous. Brand new Renthal black chain wheels with a Renthal gold chain. Renthal countershaft sprocket with all new hardware everywhere. Every nut and bolt on this motorcycle is brand new. GPI radiator hoses, silicone radiator hoses. All new frame sliders, swing arm slider, rollers, and of course the linkage is brand new in anodized red. Polished aluminum chain guide, all new hardware on the sprocket. Just unbelievable. One of the finest I've ever seen. It's absolutely freaking stunning. We'll have a full test on it, and riding demo will run her up through the gears. It's Two Stroke Tuesday. I just wanted to share this thing with you. It's just absolutely stunning machine. Stay tuned for a full riding demo coming up this week. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.